In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the brake light switch on this GMC Sierra. This is going to be attached to the brake pedal. Let's get into it. Now we're going to disconnect the battery. Use a 10mm socket. Loosen up the negative terminal. And set that aside. Using a 7mm socket, you can reach up where the brake light switch is. And we're going to take the bolt out. Take that screw out and grab the switch. Just going to pull it down. Once you have it down, then we can disconnect the connector. There's a little lock tab there. Just push on that lock tab. You can push down on the connector, pull the sensor out. Take the new switch. We're going to plug it in. Push down on the lock. We'll get this lined up. This piece is going to go on that rod right there. And then you can see there is a slot for where that tab is on the switch. Then we'll get the screw started from the back. And snug that down. And you want to torque this to 27 inch-pounds. It's a little tricky to get in there with a torque wrench. Do the best you can. After that, you're going to need to do a brake pedal position calibration with a scan tool. Then you're good to go. Take the negative terminal, get that lined up. We'll snug it down. Give it a wiggle, make sure it's tight.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.